There are different approaches to dealing with a retro-displaced or a receding chin. There's a whole world of implants, and then there's a whole world of using your own bone to be able to reshape your chin, to give it more projection, to give you a better profile, and to give you better proportionality to your face. Each of those approaches, the implant approach versus what we call sliding genioplasty, has its own advantages and its own disadvantages. And the decision as to what is best for you as the patient really comes down to a number of factors and can only really be accurately determined during the consultation. An augmentation genioplasty is when we use an implant to simulate or to mock the moving forward of the chin or the reshaping of the chin. And there's a myriad of different sizes and styles of implants that you can use depending on what shape you want your chin to be, how far you want it projected. The main disadvantage of using an implant is that you have foreign material in your face, implanted in your face. A lot of people don't feel comfortable with that. It doesn't feel, it's not as strong, it's not as resilient. So if you are very active and you're doing a lot of sports, particularly contact sports, it's not as resilient as a sliding genioplasty. And it adds bulk. So again, if you're a young female patient and you want to maintain sort of a slender appearance, there are implants that could help you, little button implants, as they're called. But really, in my opinion, I think a sliding genioplasty gives you the most natural appearance, and of course it gives you that tightening of the neck and the soft tissues. Because there's no question about it, an implant is a smaller operation, it's an easier operation. There is an added risk of infection, which is a bit higher than it is with a sliding genioplasty. But ultimately, the decision to go ahead with one or the other really comes down to what's going to give you the best aesthetic result and what's going to be safest for you. And the cephalometrics allow us to make that determination on a very accurate mathematical and scientific basis.